Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another episode of Chemical Guys Detail Garage. Today we'll show you guys how to properly clean floor mats. Let's get started. Before we get back into this video, make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel. We have different types of YouTube videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. As always, thank you for sharing your passion for trying with Chemical Guys. Let's get back into this video. As you guys can see, this floor mat up front is completely dirty. It's completely trash. Me personally, I went to the junkyard, picked this up, and I wanted to clean it so I can show you guys a hardcore 50-50 on what lightning fast and my spinner drill attachment can do. Before anything, I want to give you guys a hardcore 50-50. So I grab my masking tape and I'll just lay it down firmly across the surface of this floor mat so I can have a controlled side versus super clean side by using lightning fast, our spinner drill attachment, and our drill brush. Before anything, I need to insert my spinner drill brush onto my drill. And once it's firmly attached, now it's time to get into the cleaning process. Before anything, how do you properly clean floor mats? It's super simple, but a lot of people get a lot of headaches when it comes to it. One, just get lightning fast. It's a stain extractor that can be used on fabric surfaces as well as carpet surfaces. So all you want to do before using it, just firmly spray the area you'll be cleaning. And then you'll grab your spinner drill attachment brush and you'll spray some onto it as well. And now it's time to clean. You'll go to the surface and you'll just start working the drill attachment brush side to side, up and down. You'll work in lightning fast into the fibers of this carpet and then you'll buff it off using a microfiber towel just to remove any residue. Anyways guys, let's get right into it. Alright, so we just finished working in lightning fast into the fibers of this carpet floor mat. Now I'll just grab a clean microfiber towel. In this occasion, I'll be using a yellow microfiber towel just so I can show you guys all the dirt and filth that the spinner drill brush went ahead and extracted from the fibers of this carpet. So let me just grab my workhorse microfiber towel. I'm just simply going to start brushing this floor mat side to side just to remove any residue. If I flip over my towel, you guys can see all of that is just dirt that has been sitting in the fibers of the floor mat, and over time, if you do not remove it, this is what ends up happening. It just starts eating away the carpet floor mat, and over time, unfortunately, you're not gonna be able to pull it off or remove it using lightning fast. So we went ahead and cleaned up the carpet floor mat. After going one way, I'll go another way, just so I can brush up the fibers and revive the fibers. When carpet floor mats or carpet surfaces are dirty, all that happens is all that dirt and grime and filth is clogging up the fibers of the carpet. So this is why I always recommend brushing off your carpet, just so you can revive the fibers and bring back the finish that it always once had. So just brush it one way. After I brush it one way, you guys can see there's still dirt and grime coming off of it. So I'll just flip over to another clean side and just buff it off one more time. And then after that, I'll give you guys the after effect. All right, so now that I finished brushing off the fibers on this floor mat, I'll move everything off to the side. And now it's time to remove my masking tape, just so I can show you guys the before and after. And just check out that. This 50-50 is a night and day. This side is now clean, the fibers are breathing. Compared to this side, the fibers don't even move. That is because all the dirt, grime, filth, who knows what is on this floor mat, it's just clogging them and making them super sticky. But by using lightning fast, the drill attachment brush, and a drill, you can restore your fabric today. If you want to pick up any of these products today, you can hop onto our website right now, chemicalguys.com, or stop by your local detail garage. I recommend you do so. We have over 85 detail garage locations across the globe, including Canada and the UK. As always, guys, I'm Henry, and thank you for sharing your passion and shine with Chemical Guys.